The multi-view camera system enhances driver awareness by providing additional views of areas around the vehicle. Cameras are mounted in the grille for front views, under the side mirrors for side views, and in the tailgate for rear views. To engage the system while stationary or moving forward at 12 miles per hour or less, press the camera button on the end of the windshield wiper stalk. Note that the system will come on automatically when trail mode is selected with the drive mode switch at or below 12 miles per hour. Touch the front view icon to use the camera in the grille. Front wide view can be very useful when checking for cross traffic and intersections with poor visibility. Touch the ground view icon and you get an overhead view through all 4 cameras on the right side of the screen and a view of the area just in front of the vehicle on the left side. That front view can help give you a preview of what's coming when you reach a steep crest. When you touch the side view icon, the cameras in the side mirrors can make you better aware of what's close to the sides of the vehicle. The side view can be used with or without the ground view screen as well by touching the ground view icon. When you shift into reverse, the rear camera display comes on. You can toggle between normal or wide rear views with the rear view icons. Plus, you can engage ground view by touching that icon when in reverse as well. And to turn the system off while moving forward, just press that camera button at the end of the wiper stalk again. The system will also turn off automatically when vehicle speed reaches 16 miles per hour.